Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for CompTIA Server Plus SK0. You can download the complete list of CompTIA based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Server Plus SK0 is: discuss the challenges and considerations involved in migrating servers to the cloud. How do you plan and execute a successful server migration? Your answer should be: server migration to the cloud involves assessing dependencies, data transfer considerations, security implications, and testing for compatibility. Planning includes selecting appropriate cloud services, estimating costs, and creating a phased migration approach to minimize downtime. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of server hardening and its importance in server security. Your answer should be: server hardening involves implementing security measures to reduce the attack surface and minimize vulnerabilities in server environments. It's important for enhancing server security posture and protecting against potential cyber threats. Our next interview question is: how do you ensure data redundancy and fault tolerance in server storage systems? Your answer should be: data redundancy and fault tolerance are achieved through RAID, that is, redundant array of independent disks configurations, which distributes data across multiple disks to ensure data integrity and availability even in the event of disk failures. Our next interview question is: what role does DHCP, that is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, play in server networking, and how do you configure DHCP servers? Your answer should be: DHCP automates the assignment of IP addresses and network configurations parameters to devices on a network. DHCP servers are configured with IP address ranges, lease durations, and other network parameters to manage IP address allocation. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of containerization in server environments and its benefits. Your answer should be: containerization involves encapsulating applications and their dependencies into lightweight, portable containers. Benefits include improved scalability, efficiency, and consistency in deploying and managing applications across different environments. Our next interview question is: how do you approach server backup strategies, and what factors do you consider when designing backup plans? Your answer should be: server backup strategies involve defining backup schedules, selecting backup methods, that is, full, incremental, and differential, determining retention policies, and considering factors like RTO, that is, recovery time objective, and RPO, recovery point objective, to ensure data availability and recovery. Our next interview question is: discuss the role of server monitoring in maintaining optimal server performance. Your answer should be: server monitoring involves tracking server performance metrics such as CPU uses, memory utilization, disk I/O, and network traffic to identify performance bottlenecks, troubleshoot issues, and ensure optimal server performance. If you are preparing for any CompTIA-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.